Alright guys, GTX2971Rs. They finally in. They are ready for the first startup. Everything's all torqued down to spec and all that fun jazz. Just need to, I guess, break them in. And once I'm done, well, I'm not going to break them in with no intercooler piping. I'm going to tow it over, get either get intercooler piping made, or I will fabricate it myself. But yeah, that's it. I'd say the toughest part was getting the drain tubes on, which are... Can't even get my phone in there. Right there. Those bolts are kind of a bear. Number 2 turbo is actually the easier one. Anyways, guys, thanks for all the encouragement, and I will have a first startup video very soon. Tomorrow, once I get coolant into it. All right. See ya.